What's up, y'all? This is the Wayne County Freestyle 2, track 65,852. Peep game. I'm from the county of Wayne, from the county of Wayne. I'm from the county of Wayne, the county of pain. Brown water comes out the tap, clogs up the drain, and residents complain about abandoned buildings and places. Killing is normal, and everyone got cases. Parking spaces are rare. The Wayne County Jail, county with no health care. Residents on welfare. Red Wings, Latin Kings, Detroit Tigers, Jeffrey Feiger. The home of Myers, home of 7 and 8 miles, the home of Belle Isle. It's the Wayne County Freestyle, and on your dial is 97.9. My name is The Blade, I'm paid to spit rhyme after rhyme, and the crime is high. Wayne County, where Eminem, Shaman, ICP represent the Old English D, where the area code is 313, surrounded by parentheses as I spit these rhymes. Home of Ford, Chrysler, and Chevy assembly lines, and heavy bass breaks. The Great Lakes State, on across the Great Lakes in the county. The dog, the bounty, Hunter make a killion, and Lindsey Hunter plays for the Pistons, where the Lions can't win a game. Home of Fox 2, Hall of Shame. Wayne County, that's the name of my county. Wayne County, freestyle, y'all. I say we got 20.